Hey there, boys and girls. Here we go. Day number 12 of your March Daily Math. All right. Question 1 is asking us to add 100 to the number. Well, we start with 30 and we add 100. That is 100. And the 30 we started with is 130. Now we're going to subtract 15. So 130 minus 15. Can't do 0 minus 5, so we got to borrow, right? More on the floor, borrow from next door. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus nothing is 115. And then it says we have to add 150. Okay, so 115 and 150 is a 5 and a 6 and a 2. 265. Okay, number 3. Finn's friend Paddy is full of mischief. He painted the toenails of 4 of his friends while they were sleeping. How many nails did he paint in all? Okay, well, he painted the toenails of 4 of his friends. So each friend has how many toenails? 10. Very good. 10 toenails. And how many friends? 4. Yeah. So 10 times 4. Well, 4 times 10. That's like 4 times 1 and a 0, right? 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 times 10 is 40. He painted 40 nails in all. All right. This next one says measure. Oh, where'd my measurer go? Measure the line of shamrocks to the nearest inch. All right. Let me get out my measurer. I just had that there too. Here we go. To the nearest inch. I got to flip it over this way then, don't I? All right. So we're going to line that up here on the line, right? And to the nearest inch. Well, that is right, pretty much right on the 3, isn't it? Okay, so it's 3 inches. And now it's asking us to the nearest centimeter. So there's the line for right on the 0. We got to 0 that out, right? And we're going all the way over here to the nearest centimeter. Oh boy, this is tricky. It's right on the 7.5. Okay, so here we go. To the nearest centimeter. 7.5 we would round up to 8. Okay? But for today, I'd also take 7.5. And depending what you use, maybe even 7. So I would really take 7, 7.5, or 8 centimeters. They're all really close to me, and you guys deserve it because you're awesome. All right, last one here, number 5. What would you do with a real pot of gold? Oh, I got a lot of great things I'd love to do with that, right? You know, one of the first things I'd probably do is I'd share some with friends and family. Love to see what you do. Can't wait to hear about it. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 13 of your March Daily Math.